So I'm Brian Arzani. I'm co-founder and vice president of Results Group and president of Intermetrics North America. For the last 24 years, I've truly just dove deep into the things that revolve around why do humans succeed and why they don't. And we've earned the right to be able to license these instruments, tools, and practices out to thousands of consultants, have trained hundreds and hundreds of leadership and professionals all over North America to empower them to be able to do what we do, right, at the point of incident rather than bringing an outside person in. We just loved installing the knowledge of how to allow leaders and businesses to leverage the most valuable resource they have, which is their talent. One of the biggest things that organizations are facing today is the need to look at their existing world with a new set of eyes as all these different types of things come into place. And it's easier said than done. We're going to use 3 different psychological instruments. One that's a behavioral based instrument that's very common. One that goes deeper and gets into what drives behavior, what motivates, and why are people engaged and not engaged. And then at a deep level, the order of thinking. How do we naturally think about the world that we are attacking or servicing or trying to defend? And as we go through that, it's going to give the owners and the leaders an opportunity to get outside and gain a couple of new perspectives. When you deal with high-level humans, it's not about what you tell them. It's giving them the ability to see their current reality with a little bit of a different perspective and then allow those professionals to go off and execute. So we're going to do I call it a what's your leadership genius, and unpack a few things and allow them to go back and to be able to face their existing reality with just a couple of new ideas, hopefully more. But at the end of the day, it's truly about deeply understanding why do I get the results that I get and what's preventing me from getting what I want without having to have a fancy one-liner or do some trust falls and play some Rocky music. We're going to dig in, roll up our sleeves, and do real work, real engagement, not entertainment. This is truly something that if somebody wants to come in and get challenged in their thinking about how they've been doing what they've been doing, this will provide it. Or maybe an affirmation. I'm not one to believe that I can do what they do better. I'm just the geek, kind of like in the movie Moneyball. People snap their fingers and point and go, why? And that's the real key. That's what keeps us up at night as business owners. Why? And then how am I going to stay relevant in the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years? And yes, web presence, AI is important. But at the end of the day, our businesses grow because we have relationships, and that's belly to belly. So how do I figure out how to get more out of the people I want, align the right people with the right opportunities, and then how do I find, attract, and acquire the right types of humans that are going to be engaged, stick around, and grow within the direction of my organization where it's going? What I've experienced when I worked for General Electric in the 90s is they used one dimension. We all can say humans are very complex. Well, if they're complex, then let's add more layers to the evaluation. So there's 3 different unique psychologies that were never meant to go together. So you're going to get the typical personality stuff like an X-ray if you were to go to the doctor. And then we're going to go a little deeper. We're going to get into a CAT scan, get into what's under the surface that's not normally included. And then we'll get to the third component, which is really almost like a PET scan. We're going to look at the deeper levels. And that's really, if I didn't have these 3 different psychology and have spent a quarter of a century working with them, I wouldn't be here. This isn't your traditional, hey, yeah, I know myself. There's some aspects to it, but we're going to go deep into it and point out a couple of things in terms of just how do we process thought. So it's really 3 psychologies. And certain aspects of them are just like what we see out there, but because we're diving into 3 and bringing them together, that's the unique experience that they're going to have. And over the last, 25 years, people have said to me, that's deeper than I've ever thought about going. And we're going to do it in 3 hours. So you better bring your appetite, and I don't do bathroom breaks, but we'll take them just because we have to. And we'll give you some support material. I think this is a great opportunity because to do this as a one-off for an organization, I don't have the bandwidth to go all over the country and do this, but I'm grateful to be able to provide this to these owners and these dealers that are truly thinking about their business and wanting to think about it differently. Well, I've got an instrument that measures how you think. We're just going to put that underneath the surface, underneath all of the other instruments that bring it to play. and just give you different ways to look at the existing realities. The folks that are going to be attending don't really care about learning much deeper about themselves. I mean, we are where we are, and you're not going to teach an old dog new tricks. But being able to have practically applicable to their world versus expecting them to think, well, I guess I could try this. No, let's just do it. Let's give you the opportunity. And, it's incredibly valuable because this isn't something that's offered. If I didn't own the instruments in North America and license them out to, tens of thousands of organizations and consultants across North America, we couldn't do this. But because of the relationships that we have, with Mike and your organization, this is a great opportunity to do something for really the underserved part of the world. I grew up on a farm, in 82, we went bankrupt. I remember selling off all of our equipment, then buying it back. And I have a love for the heartland and what we do. So I'm honored and grateful to be able to give back to the industry that built me. Fixing fence with hog wire and not having a hydration plan and a cell phone to call when I screwed something up a mile from the house, right? So let's just go and dig in and put some psychology and some practically applicable things with some of your key people. And then let's trust you to go out and make it happen.